Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the Society of Actuaries Exam P practice problems. Problem 1 states a survey of a group's viewing habits over the last year revealed the following information. Then it gives some data about the group, and it says to calculate the percentage of the group that watched none of the three sports during the last year. So first thing we'll do is draw our sample space. We're going to have gymnastics up top, baseball on the left, and soccer on the right. And then again it says we're looking for the group that watched none of the sports. We'll denote that with a C for complement. So the probability of that is someone watching any combination of the sports, and then the complement or the opposite of that. So that's the same as 1 minus the probability of someone watching any combination of the sports. So how do we break up this union? First thing we're going to do is we're going to sum up the probability that someone watched each individual sport. Now because there's some overlap, we're going to have to minus out all the intersections here between the sports. And because we minused out the middle too many times, we're going to have to add that guy back in at the end. So that's going to be the same as 1 minus probability that someone watched gymnastics, plus probability that someone watched baseball, plus the probability that someone watched soccer. Now we're going to minus out the intersection, so that's the probability that someone watched gymnastics and baseball, minus the probability that someone watched gymnastics and soccer. Then again, minus the probability that someone watched soccer and baseball. Now we have to add in the last piece. So that's the probability that someone watched soccer and baseball and gymnastics. Now, if you look back to the problem, all the values given for percentages are actually the probabilities that we're looking to plug in right here. So the final step of this problem is just to plug them in. So that's 1 minus the probability that someone watched gymnastics, plus probability that someone watched baseball, soccer. Then we'll minus out the intersections again here. Then we'll add that last piece back in. So that all sums up to 1 minus 0.48. And that'll give us a percentage of 52. And if you look at D in the answers, that's the one we want.